In this video, we're going to take a look at calculating perimeter. We did one of these in one of my previous videos, which was a little bit simpler. So this one is a little bit more, I wouldn't say complicated, but it looks a little bit different and you might be afraid of it, but don't be afraid of it. It's actually very easy. So we have this problem that says, what is the perimeter of the shape? So remember that perimeter of a shape is the distance around the shape. So you just have to picture yourself walking along here all the way around. Oh, I walk 5 centimeters. Now I walk 3 centimeters. Now I walk 2 centimeters. Now I walk 2 centimeters. I walked another 3 centimeters. And I walked 1 centimeter. And I'm back to where I started. So all it is calculating the total amount of centimeters that you walked around the whole entire shape. So how you would do that is you would add all the side lengths together. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, because these are the amounts that you walked around. And the total of that is 16 centimeters. So the perimeter of this shape is 16 centimeters. Now don't get upset if you don't understand this right away. You could just restart this video and watch it again. And just remember, practice makes improvement, and anyone can do math.